noises for me?
No, why you were...
You can do your tongue again?
Do you know why Scout was around the mountain?
Because he was snowboarding?
Hi. Hi.
Did you know there was I thought he went over Stone Mountain Park.
We did go to Stone
Yeah.
Mountain Park.
Did we go?
We went to Stone Mountain Park.
What is that?
But I
What is
thought
that?
it was Stone Mountain.
It was Stone Mountain. Stone Mountain and Stone Mountain Park are the same.